Hey guys, welcome to journals for today. So we're going to go ahead and get started. This journal is for the purple group. So if you guys still need some directions on how to do this, we have the video below down in the description from Miss Brown that you can watch in order to help your student get this done. So after each of our options, we're going to give just a few seconds. You guys can pause the video if you'd like, or you can just wait out with me to have your student answer, and we'll move on. All right, so today's journal is about Indycar. We know that the race would have been happening this weekend on Memorial Day weekend. So I figured today we could do something a little fun. So look around at all these pictures here. Look at the different parts and the different things that you can find on an Indycar, and we'll move on. So green is group. What group do we put a Indycar in? So it has to do with racing, or it has to do with vehicles. So go ahead and take a second to answer the question. All right, nice answering, guys. Next, we're going to do blue. Blue is do. So what does it do? What do we do with an Indycar? What does an Indycar do? So they go really fast, or they get more gas. So what do? They go real fast, or they get more gas. Go ahead and pause the video and answer. Nice work. This is the next one. I is what does it look like? Remember, we answered 3 different options for I, so let's go ahead and look at the first. What does it look like? What size is it? So it can be long or it can be short. Definitely a short with a few tires there missing. So is it long or is it short? Go ahead and answer the question. Very good. Next, we're going to look at what shape. So does it have a rectangle on the back, or does it have a triangle on the front? Rectangle on back or triangle on front? Go ahead and pause and answer. All right, then we have what does it look like? What color? So they can be red or they can be more than one color. So red or more than one color. Go ahead and answer. Very good, guys. Now we're going to move to wood. What is it made of? So what is an Indycar made of? It is made of metal, or it is made of plastic. Made of metal or made of plastic. Go ahead and take a second to answer the question. We have pink next. Pink is parts. What parts does an Indycar have? So does it have big tires? Or it has many logos. Logos are the words that we see written on the cars on the sides there from all their sponsors. So it has really big tires, or it has many logos. Go ahead and answer. Nice working, guys. We're going to do white. White is where? Where would we see an Indycar at? So where would we see it, or where would we use this? In a museum? Or at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway? In a museum or at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway? Go ahead and take a second to answer. Last but not least, we have orange. Orange is what else do we know about Indy cars? So what else do we know about them? They race at the Indy 500, or they are very loud. So they race at the Indy 500, or they are very loud. Go ahead and take a second to answer. All right, guys, you did a great job finishing up your journals for today. I'm really glad we got to talk about something race related while this weekend is getting ready to happen. Hope you guys all take a second to enjoy your 3-day weekend and be safe. And I'll see you next week. Bye, guys.